Hello children, I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here, every day, we will learn something new in a fun and interesting way. We will sing, dance, listen to stories and have lots of fun together. Are you ready to have fun? Then please stand up and join me in a dance.
Paper boat, sail away. Whoosh, a little here, whoosh, a little there. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Little red umbrella, don't fly away. Whoosh, no, no. Whoosh, no, no. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Pretty little rainbow, will you dance with me? Whoosh, a spin. Whoosh, a twirl. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop.
Children, now I would like to ask you a few questions. Let us share our thoughts and ideas. Children, have you ever seen a robot? You may have seen robotic cars or robotic toys. They work automatically or sometimes with the help of a remote control. So children, what is a robot? A robot is a machine that is made by man. Robots perform different tasks. Some tasks that human beings can perform and some tasks that are very difficult for humans to perform. And that is why robots were created. So children, what can robots do? Robots can do lots of work. They can help in a household by washing clothes and utensils. Robots can also help in a hospital. They can assist a doctor while performing surgery. Robots can also help in big factories where the same task has to be performed again and again. Robots are very smart and over the years have made life easier for human beings. Children, while learning a language, it is very important that we keep learning new words. Now, let me share with you a few new words. Let's try to make simple sentences using these words to understand them better. Okay? The first word is dangerous. 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 Dangerous means scary. When electricity strikes, it can be dangerous. Fire is a dangerous thing. One should not play with it. Second word, surroundings. 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 We should always keep our surroundings neat and clean. Our surroundings reflect our thoughts. Next word, device. 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 A remote control is a device. Device means a mechanical instrument. There are many devices in the market. My father has a device repair shop. Expert. 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 Expert means a highly intelligent person. My sister is an expert in science. My mother is an expert in English language. Next word, brain. 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 The brain controls all the body parts. The brain is the most important part of the body. Children, we will begin our day by reading a very interesting poem. A book speaks. If you have a textbook, please open to page number 66 and point to the words as I read. If you don't have a textbook, please see your TV screens and listen to me carefully. Children, let's read this poem. A book speaks. When you drop me on the floor, I get stepped on. My sides are sore. Children, today we are reading the poem A Book Speaks. And what does the book have to say? The book says that when you drop me, others step on me and parts of my body feel sore. Feeling sore means when you touch it or move it, that body part pains. So, the book says that when you drop me, my body feels sore. It pains. Torn out pages make me groan. I feel dizzy if I'm thrown. Torn out pages make me groan means when we tear pages out of the book groans means it makes a sound which shows pain. And when the book is thrown, it feels dizzy. Every mark and every stain on my covers gives me pain. Every mark and stain on the book cover brings pain to the book. Don't bend me. If you do, I don't want to talk to you. The book says, please don't bend me. And if you do, I won't talk to you. But we will both be friends together if you protect me from the weather and keep me clean so that I look a tidy, neat and happy book. The book says we can only be friends with it if we protect it from the weather and take care of it so that it looks clean, neat and tidy. Children, now we will be reading a very interesting lesson. The title of the lesson is Robotics. We will be learning about robots today. Are you excited? If you have a textbook, please open to page number 67 and point to the words as I read. If you don't have a textbook, please see your TV screens and listen to me carefully. Also, we will find the new words we just learnt earlier in the lesson that we'll be reading. Robotics. A robot is a complex man-made machine that can perform many of the tasks that human beings do, and some tasks that are too difficult or dangerous for human beings. Robots are built in such a way that they can perform these tasks automatically when they are started or on command. Robots may be operated by remote control. A robot usually has three things. It has a built-in computer program. This program is like the robot's brain. Only a robot cannot think on its own like human beings do. It cannot decide whether to do something, whether something is good or bad on its own. It can learn and do only what the computer program makes it possible for the robot to learn and do. A robot does not have moods and feelings like human beings do. Like other machines, a robot can do boring tasks again and again and again without getting bored. It can work in dangerous places where human beings cannot go or live. A robot has three parts. The first part is a computer program. A computer program is like the brain of the robot. It makes the robot perform functions. The robot cannot do anything by itself. It is the computer program that controls it. The robot cannot decide what is right or what is wrong. It will just do as the program has instructed. The robot also doesn't have any feelings. So, the robot can continue performing the same task again and again without feeling bored. The robot can also go to dangerous places and perform tasks that human beings perhaps cannot, because the robot's body is strong, made of metal or other such materials, and the robot doesn't feel scared. A robot has mechanical parts or a body. These parts enable the robot to move or perform certain actions in certain ways. These parts may have pipes, tubes, cylinders, wheels and gears joined in a particular way. There may be devices that scoop up or hold things, blow, suck, sweep, etc. These parts are designed to suit the purpose for which the robot is built. The second part of the robot is its mechanical body. Its body has cylinders, tubes, wheels, and lots of other things. A robot's body is designed to perform a function to suit the purpose with which it was made. A robot also has sensors or devices that inform it about its surroundings. These sensors are like the robot's eyes, ears, nose, skin, etc. Again, these devices are designed and fitted to the robot by experts who design and build the robot. So, the robot has a brain, that is a computer program. It has a mechanical body, and then the robot also has sensor devices on it. These sensory devices work like the eyes, ears, nose of the robot. They help the robot understand its surroundings better. Some robots are designed to look like human beings or other living things, or they may be given other suitable shapes. It requires a lot of hard work, skill and imagination to design and build robots. Would you like to design or build a real robot when you grow up? For that, you will have to study the relevant subjects well and also develop a good imagination. So children, I hope you liked learning about robots. So children, I hope you found it very interesting to learn about robots. Now, I would request you all to please make some time and think about what kind of a robot you would like to make. We have also noted points that need to be kept in mind while designing our robot. I wish you the very best to design your own robot. Children, let's do an activity now. In this activity, you will see different parts of a robot in one column. In the other column, you will be given the names of those parts. You have to match the image of the body part of the robot with its name. Does it sound easy? Yes, it is. Come, let's give this a try. Children, I hope you were able to match the images of the body parts of the robot with its names. Now come, let's have a look. The first image is of robot arms. The second image is of a processor. The third image is of gears. The fourth image is of a sensor. Children, let's do an activity now. In this activity, you will see different steps to create a robot. These steps are given in a jumbled form. You have to write the correct sequence of building the robot. Would you like to give this a try? Then okay, let's begin. Children, I hope you were able to write the correct sequence of the steps to build a robot. The first step is to define the purpose of building the robot. The second step is determine the size and shape of the robot. The third step is choosing correct sensors and batteries. The fourth step is get the required parts. The fifth step is assemble the robot. Children, I hope you all liked today's session. I would now request all of you to please make some time and draw the picture of the robot that you would like to build. Also, try to give a name to your robot and write down what are the functions you would like this robot to perform. Children, till we meet next time, please take care, bye-bye and stay safe.